welcome to my channel. My name is Desiree, and for today's video I am doing a Boxycharm review and try on. Now I already opened the box, I already know what's in here, and I got this box last week and I definitely tried this stuff. I wanted to try something a little bit different this time when it came to my Boxycharm unboxings. Typically I open the box and I try on the products right then and there for you guys, but this time I decided to try to give you more in-depth review, so that way I given these products a really good fair chance, and I can give you a real good review on all of these products, as well as trying them on camera. So the theme for this month is Afterglow, and I actually kind of like it. Not kind of, I like it. I like that they went with this whole afterglow type of thing, and especially because they evolved it around February. It's just very pink, very just soft glowing type of stuff, and I love it. I actually love it. If that makes any sense, probably not. And I'm just gonna go off my notes here because I did write notes down as I use the products throughout the week. So the first thing here on my list is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So this is the very iconic mascara that is, how do you say, like, it can go either or for people. People either love it or they absolutely hate it, and I must say I'm one of the people that love it, only because I heard a long time ago through Too Faced Insta stories that if you use 3 coats of this mascara, not right away, like you apply 1 coat, let it dry, and then so on and so forth, but you do it 3 times, you will have very voluminous lengthened lashes. And at first I thought total BS, but then when I did this I noticed a total difference, because I too was using the L'Oreal version of Better Than Sex mascara, and at first I loved that mascara and I didn't like this mascara so much because I had a little small trial size. But when I took that advice from Too Faced Insta stories, that's when I actually started liking the mascara. The only thing is that this is not waterproof. It will definitely, if your face happens to get water, if it's raining or something, wherever it is you may live, this will transfer, it will come off. It's not flaky, that's definitely, it's not flaky. This is buildable, like I said, you got to put it on at least 3 times. And it does make your lashes pretty fluttery, and you just got like this very beautiful lashes that, you know, kind of does look like you're wearing falsies if you're applying this correctly. This mascara goes for $24 and the box is $21, so you kind of already got your money's worth right there. So the next thing I have here is by Pretty Vulgar. This is the Shimmering Swan highlighter. So this highlighter is really pretty, so let me just give you a little swatch right there. This is very beautiful. At first looking at it, when I opened this up and I was taking a look, I thought, man, it looks like a regular type of highlight, and the packaging is kind of cute. Looks like a picture frame type of thing. It is plastic, so if you happen to smash this like in your luggage or something, if you're traveling through airplane, chances are your product will smash, like it will break. So it's not very sturdy. I mean, it's a nice cute packaging, something, you know, if you were into packaging like this, you could put on your vanity and just make your whole entire vanity look really cutesy with this type of work. But it wasn't until I actually used the product and I applied it to my cheeks is when I noticed how beautiful it was. So I wore this to work a couple times, and all I had on was a bronzer and this highlight on top of my cheekbones. That's where I always put highlight. And I had this beautiful type of glowing look to my face, and I was really surprised by it because, again, just by looking at it, you don't think, oh, it's gonna pack a punch, but it does, and it gives you the most natural but nice glow, if that makes any sense. I really liked it, and actually it's a pretty good shade for my skin tone, so that's probably why it looked more natural on that side. Oh, and this goes for $32. $32, this product right here. Woo, that's expensive. Okay, so the next item I have here is the Touch in Soul, the No Problem primer. So I was actually really surprised by this. The last primer I tried that I received in a Boxycharm was a Cover FX primer, and that stuff lasted me, I want to say, close to 2 months before it started drying out, and then it wasn't doing its job anymore. And it was in a tube, it was in a squeezy tube, and somehow it dried out really fast and it just wasn't doing the job anymore. So I ended up giving that one away, or I think I threw it away because it was dry. So this primer, it has no scent to it. It does close the pores very quickly. Like, I put some on and then I like to tap with my finger, and I will show you how I do it. And the texture is very gel-like, and it does dry down pretty fast, so it doesn't stay tacky and it doesn't feel like, come on, or dry already. It dries down pretty fast and it closes the pores really nicely. So I've had this primer on. So when I apply it for work, I applied around 6-ish in the morning, and usually when I come home for work around 2-ish. So that's around a total of about 6 hours that I have this primer on, and it lasts all day. And I used it again all week, and I noticed a total difference in my makeup. It looked very smooth, canvas-like. It was just really nice. I really love this stuff, and I can truly say that because I used it for an entire week. So I truly love it. And oh, I keep forgetting to say the prices. This is $18. This thing right here is $18. I love it. Chances are I will be repurchasing. Okay, so the next item that I have here on my card is by the brand Farmacy, and this is a face wash. It smells like honey, and it's very gentle. It's a type of facial cleanser that you can use every single day. So if you're somebody who has sensitive skin like me, it will not give you an allergic reaction. So I also have an oily face, so I really can't use just anything on my face because I can get really dried out, and because I have a little bit of sensitivity as well, I could get an allergic reaction, and then I could become red and little bumps happen, and it's not cute. I have definitely received different products from Farmacy before, and where do I begin with the brand Farmacy? I absolutely love Farmacy products. I have loved their moisturizer. I love their cleansing balm, where the one that helps remove all of your makeup. And now I love this stuff right here. This is Farmacy Clean B. Yes, this stuff is awesome. So it does not dry out your face. You can use this every single day. And I also did what I like to call a test when it comes to trying out new cleansers. So whenever I get a new cleanser, how I know it does a really good job at cleaning my face is I like to get a cotton swab or a little cotton circle thingy majiggy. I use whatever toner I'm using that time. I pour it onto the pad, and then I start to cleanse my face with the toner. If anything like dirt or makeup still comes off of my face, I know the cleanser did not do a good job, and this passed the test. So I love this stuff. I don't think this is a full size actually, but this is something I definitely will be repurchasing as well. A 3.4 floral ounce, and it's $22, but I like it, and I hope they make a bigger cleanser than this, because I definitely will be getting more. Okay, so the last product I have in my box is by the brand Trestique. So this product is kind of unusual, only because the lip product itself is kind of weird, but it's fairly easy to use because you have this little side here, and you can easily just do this and then turn it to the side, and then you can apply the lip products on your lips really easily. So this is buildable. It does have a magnetic cap here, and the bottom of it has the lip primer, which is nice. So I tried this on I don't want to say 2 different days, but I did try this at different times to try to see how it would work with and without the lip balm. So what happened was, with the lip balm, with the lip primer, this lip balm type of lipstick thing lasted a really long time, and without it, it didn't last as long. In fact, it kind of dried out a little bit. So with this, I definitely had a more lasting type of how do you say, like, it just lasted longer on my lips. So it does feel like a lip balm, but it has really nice color to it, and it's not like over the top, bam, in your face red. It's like a very nice, subtle, almost berry-like type of red. I don't know if I said already, it's definitely buildable, so when you first apply it, it's not as vibrant, but if you apply it a couple times, you will definitely get a pretty nice color payoff. It doesn't smell like anything in particular, and it's definitely not sticky. So this is a really good lip product. So now we're gonna get into actually trying the stuff out. I didn't say before, this costs $25. This right here, $25. So I'm showing you an up close of my face. This side is the prime side and this side is not. So you can definitely see all of my pores, and over here, it fairly did a pretty good job at closing them up. Okay, so the only things I used off camera that I didn't show you is my Physicians formula. This is the Brightening Complex foundation. I'm in the shade M in 3. I use the Hoola Quickie Contour Stick by Benefit, and I believe this is just, I think they only have one shade, yes, because it doesn't say. And I only use this to contour my cheekbones. And I used my Candid Photo Ready by Revlon. I'm in the shade 040 medium. And then I used my Flower Beauty eyeshadow primer. And then I used my Peach Perfect powder for all over the face. My e.l.f. This is a finishing powder in light medium for my under eyes. And then for my eyeshadow, I used the Kokie Professional. This is a dual metallic shadow. So one side has the cream, and then the inside has the pigment. It's really something. And then I used my Cella. This is the Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. I use that for my eyebrows. And I used, this is the Best Friend Eyeshadow Duo in Pink Pow, and I only used this side for my crease. And this by Wet n Wild, this is Brulee, the original formula, not the one that they recently changed. And I use this for my under my brow bone. So those are the only products I used off of camera. So let's just get down to the nitty-gritty. Did I like this month's box? Yes, 100% yes. I think this is the first time in a very long time that I liked every single product in a Boxycharm and had nothing bad to say about it. Usually when I get a Boxycharm, I'll have like a few products that are really good and I love them, and then the rest are kind of like meh. I like all of it. I have nothing bad to say about this box. I love the theme. I love every product that I received. I showed you how I use each and every one of these products, and yeah, I have nothing bad to say about this box. And I'm really shocked because usually I have something bad to say, but this time I don't. And to me it just feels like a breath of fresh air. I got items that are truly going to be staples in my everyday makeup routine. It's a double thumbs up for me. It's a 10 out of 10. And so let's just get down to how much this box is. So the total cost of my box, everything that I received here, is about $121. And I only paid $21 a month. Oh my gosh. And I loved every single product in it. Yes! So I'm really happy I got this box this time. I'm super excited. And yeah, this is the end of my review. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up because it would really make my day. And comment down below, did you receive the same items that I did? Or did you get something different? Did you like your box? Did you not like your box? Is there something you would change? Do you prefer palettes? Let's make a conversation about this. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.